before and after. They're still the same switches. Kailh box, pale blues. Why would they do that anyway? Unclicked or linearified kailh box pale blues. So basically, to do this, there's a little bar. It's kind of hard to see because like the camera or whatever. It's a lot easier to see. It's a little gray line or whatever, but you see there's that little white little nubbin right here. You know, that's for the clicky one, but for the unclicked one, you just take the bar and place it on top of that, so the thing just misses it like that. Just a no click.